The Views at Bridgewater is our beautiful neighborhood in Dallastown, Pennsylvania. The neighborhood surrounds the Bridgewater Golf Club, and Phase 2 is going to be offering some of our most amazing home sites up to a quarter acre and all of the wonderful designs Keystone Custom Homes has to offer. Bridgewater is located just minutes off I-83 and Route 30. Everything that East York has to offer is right at your fingertips at Bridgewater. The homes at Bridgewater are going to range from anywhere about 1,900 square feet all the way up to about 4,000 square feet. It's going to offer some of our newest designs, including the Hawthorne and the Devonshire, but also some of our classics, including our Parker, which is our model home here at Bridgewater. The Parker farmhouse model at the Views at Bridgewater is one of our most popular designs. The Parker farmhouse model features white vertical siding, a black metal seamless roof, black windows, wood stained columns, and a beautiful wraparound porch that allows all homeowners to take in the wonderful views that Bridgewater offers. The focal point of the Parker farmhouse model is going to be the open kitchen into the family room. It's a beautiful classic kitchen with gray cabinets and white countertops, a really large island that overlooks the wonderful views that Bridgewater is going to offer. Building with Keystone Custom Homes is going to allow each of our customers the options to choose some of the most amazing features that we offer. It gives our buyers the ability to personalize their home to really make it their own. If you're looking for large home sites in some of Keystone Custom Homes' most popular plans in the Dallastown market, the Views at Bridgewater has everything that you'd be looking for.